How to add debit card to Cash App. In this tutorial, we're going to see a quick and easy way to add debit card to Cash App. First thing first, just go ahead and open up Cash App, and you're going to find the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on your profile icon, there you'll be able to find your account. And from your account section, all you have to do is scroll down a bit until you find linked banks. Tap on linked banks, and if you've already linked any banks, it will be visible right here. But if you want to add a new bank or add a new card, tap on link debit card, then just enter your card number. After that, you're going to have to tap on add card. The next step is to provide your expiration date as well as your CVC code. Once you provide those code, you can also add your zip code or your address code. Then you can just tap on add card. And it's going to load up here, and once you go back and check, your card should be added. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.